Apache ActiveMQ is a powerful messaging solution, trusted by developers and enterprises worldwide. It serves as a robust message broker, facilitating seamless communication in distributed applications. ActiveMQ acts as an intermediary, receiving messages from producers and delivering them to consumers. This promotes loose coupling, enhances scalability, and improves application resilience. Its open-source nature fosters a vibrant community of developers. Built on Java, ActiveMQ integrates into Java-based environments and supports multiple protocols. It ensures reliable message delivery even during network disruptions. ActiveMQ's flexibility and community support make it essential for modern software development. One of ActiveMQ's key strengths lies in its extensive multi-protocol support. It serves as a universal translator in the world of messaging, seamlessly bridging communication gaps between applications built on different platforms and using various protocols. This versatility eliminates the need for complex workarounds or protocol conversions, simplifying the integration process and fostering interoperability. ActiveMQ's support for industry-standard protocols like AMQP, STOMP, MQTT, and JMS opens up a wide range of possibilities for connecting diverse applications. Whether it's a Java-based enterprise system communicating with a Python web application, or a sensor network sending data to a cloud-based analytics platform, ActiveMQ acts as the central hub, facilitating communication regardless of the underlying technology stack. This multi-protocol capability extends beyond mere message exchange. ActiveMQ intelligently handles protocol-specific features, ensuring that messages are correctly interpreted and processed by the receiving applications. For instance, when bridging communication between AMQP and JMS clients, ActiveMQ takes care of translating message headers and properties, preserving message integrity and ensuring seamless interoperability. By embracing multiple protocols, ActiveMQ empowers developers to choose the best tool for the job without being constrained by messaging limitations. This flexibility allows for the integration of legacy systems, the adoption of new technologies, and the creation of hybrid architectures that leverage the strengths of different platforms and programming languages. ActiveMQ's reach extends far beyond the realm of Java, embracing a multitude of programming languages and platforms. Its client library ecosystem provides developers with the tools they need to connect to ActiveMQ brokers from various languages, including Python, Node.js, C++, Net, and Ruby. This broad language support makes ActiveMQ an ideal choice for building polyglot applications where different components are written in different languages. These client libraries provide a familiar programming interface tailored to each language, abstracting away the complexities of the underlying messaging protocols. Developers can leverage their existing language expertise to interact with ActiveMQ, sending and receiving messages seamlessly without having to delve into the intricacies of JMS or other messaging specifications. The flexibility offered by ActiveMQ's client library ecosystem enables the creation of truly heterogeneous systems. For instance, a Python-based machine learning module can seamlessly publish predictions to an ActiveMQ topic, while a Java-based web application subscribes to the same topic to consume and display these predictions in real time. This interoperability fosters collaboration between teams working with different technologies, accelerating development cycles, and enabling the creation of more integrated and responsive applications. Moreover, ActiveMQ's support for RESTful APIs further enhances its accessibility, allowing developers to interact with the message broker using standard HTTP requests. This feature opens up new possibilities for integrating ActiveMQ with web applications, mobile apps, and other systems that communicate over HTTP, extending its reach beyond traditional messaging paradigms. ActiveMQ excels in supporting various messaging protocols, each tailored for specific needs. Let's explore some key protocols. AMQP is an open standard for reliable messaging. It ensures message integrity and reliability. STOMP is simple and text-based, ideal for web applications. MQTT is perfect for IoT, with its lightweight and efficient delivery. JMS offers a standardized way for Java applications to interact with message brokers. ActiveMQ's diverse protocol support makes it a central messaging hub for various applications.